Hey y'all, I'm Kinky welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be installing this hair from ISEE Hair. This is their Vpart Kinky Curly Wig in 20 inches, and the quality and texture of this hair is so nice. And I'm going to be installing the wig using the crochet method, so this is going to be a no leave out look. I started off with my hair braided up, and I just have straight back braids in, and then I just clipped the wig right onto my braids. After that I just slid the crochet needle underneath my hair, and then I pulled a piece of the wig hair and I'm just going to slide that underneath where I just pulled the crochet needle from. And it's super easy and it's painless. This has become like one of my favorite methods whenever I'm installing Vpart wigs. This is really good for like vacations, or if you want to try out like a hair texture that doesn't really necessarily match your texture. And I pretty much just repeat that same process until you can no longer see like the tracks. So I'm just going to continue crocheting the hair in, and then I'll catch back up with you guys when it's time to style it. So here's how my hair is looking so far after doing the crochet method to hide that V part. And yes, I just think that this is the perfect way to give off the look of having leave out without having to deal with leave out. So now I'm just going to go ahead and wet the hair and style it. And to do this I just use some water, some leave-in conditioner, and some moisturizer. And then I like to set it using some mousse. all done defining the hair, I just went in with my diffuser to speed up the drying process and to really set the hair in place. And this is the finished look. I absolutely love the way that the crochet method turns out, and I'm so in love with this hair. ISEE Hair literally has like the best quality hair, and this is their Kinky Curly Vpart wig in 20 inches. I didn't experience any tangling, and the hair was super easy to work with. It's so pretty and defined, and I definitely recommend trying out the crochet method. It's super easy. You don't have to worry about leave out. Overall, I'm just super happy with this whole install. Definitely check out ISEE Hair. I'll have all of their information down in my description box. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.